have here? Something got in here. What do we got? That plugs in place. That plugs in place. Oh, look, there's more crap. Come out here. That plugs in place. That plugs in place. I don't know how some critter would have got in there as long as the door's in place. I wonder. Oh my goodness. Well, that's a first. I've never seen a critter come down the intake and chew through the grill. It's not a very big hole. Maybe he got in that way. I don't know. Could he get through that hole? Possibly, I suppose. Okay, there's that. Maybe. I mean, that's a 1/4 of an inch. What do you think? Do you make it through them cracks? I don't know.